Good afternoon from Şişhane. Now we'll have a nice walk from Şişhane to Galata Tower. This is Şişhane Beyoglu Belediye Başkanlığı. And there are very nice places, as you see. Like, for example, Miss Pizza is quite famous for the pizzas, and you can find so many types of pizzas, like more than 100. And when you go straight, there is this place, this coffee shop. It's lovely, Petra Roasting Coffee, which is over here. And you can also have a look at the prices. Okay, and they have matcha as well, flat white and stuff. This is one of the best cute coffee shops. Look at inside, it's so good. It's so nice and cozy. So we just keep on walking, and yeah, I'll walk to the Galata Tower slowly. So on my left, Beyoglu Belediye Başkanlığı, and just I turn right and go down the street, as you see. And this spot is full of surprises. You can come to Peratay as well. And yeah, the Christmas trees are everywhere. This is the last month of the year, and Big Chef's is a good choice for the food and drinks. It's a very old restaurant. Since many years it exists here. Look at the weather, it's so nice, isn't it? Oh yeah, and the dogs of Istanbul. Oh, this one looks angry, look at the face. So we just walk and walk and walk, and we're almost at the Galata Tower. You can see the sea from here. People are sitting in this area, chilling. So okay. Are you ready for the amazing Galata Tower? I love this street. Most of the photos of Galata Tower are taken at this secret spot. Okay, now it's not a secret spot for you anymore. You know where to take photos. And this street is full of coffee shops and restaurants. During the day, during the morning or during the evening, you can have a look at here. And the cockroach is quite and a fish place here. Wow. Okay. The streets are amazing, and look at the buildings. And here there is a discount at the shop. And this is the art, the heart of the art, this spot, Pera. Really. You can find amazing pieces here. Yeah. Tantuni is also a Turkish food, which is lovely. So we have almost reached Galata Tower. Look at the crowd.
Eskiye.
And Christmas stockings here, lovely. It's not only me, lots of people are taking videos during the street. And yeah, this is another place, Haydar Galata. You can find different types of food here. Look at the menu. You can also have the breakfast here. Prices are here. Inside is a nice place. I have been here before a couple of times. It's good for breakfast, for the dinner as well. So, okay, street food lovers. Street food. Who can say no to doner, right? Yeah, Galata doner is here. There is a narrow street here, but I will go back to. I'll walk to the Galata Tower. Okay. It's so lovely, isn't it? I really love this place. The streets of Istanbul are full of surprises. Rooftop Galata is another spot where you can take the photo here. You see, it's crazy. It's a bit expensive, but it's a nice memory. Okay. If you like the pilav, the rice, you can come here. It's so crowded as usual. Milota cafe here and Shirin Bakery. Okay. Galivia for coffee and desserts. Viyana Kahvesi, it's very famous spot in Galata Tower. They are famous for its desserts. Okay, I just keep on walking, and this is one of the best walks. And I told you, here there are so many types of places you can sit in, lots of choices. And we almost reached the Galata Tower. Endless photo sessions, endless coffee shops, and the street people. Okay, I can't even walk. People are posing. Seriously. What can I say? Yeah, this place is called also Viyana Kahvesi. I told you, the famous one. If you sit here, you just face the Galata Tower. And Aneman Hotel is another famous spot. And at the top of Aneman Hotel, which is over here, you can find a nice place and with an amazing Galata Tower view. This is exactly facing the Galata Tower, Aneman Hotel. And you see, this is the, if you sit here, this will be your view, like this one. So good. Yeah. And they sometimes have buffets, and look at the nice decoration inside, Christmas decoration. Wow, so cute, really nice. And they also sell wines at the ground floor here. You can find lots of wines here. It's lovely, isn't it? Okay. Still around Galata Tower, walking around here. And there is a place where you can have the wine. Here, Sensus. It's quite famous. Sensus Wine and Food. And there are all sometimes piano sessions here. Now it's closed, so I cannot show you the place, but it's a good one. So let's keep on walking.
Biz o sola gitmeden o başta olacağız. Sağa gitmeden. Sağa sola gitmeden.
Sorry. Wow. You can buy clothes and Galata leather. Oh yeah. Happy New Year decoration. Lovely. Okay, you see lots of bars in this at the spot as you walk. It's really lovely. So you just keep on walking down the streets. Shopping, 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 and shopping again. Never ending shopping. Okay, it smells history, it smells history everywhere here at each and every corner. Postane is a nice place. Like here, this is the inside. So have a look, and I close it not to disturb anybody. And the menu and the prices. Okay. Oh my god, these small coffee shops are so lovely. Ah yeah, I'm into desserts, but I'm on a diet, so I'm just looking. Yeah, look at this view. Wow. We can go down the street. I'll walk from here to see what we have. Okay. This mosque is quite old. It's behind the Galata Tower. We are lost in the streets of Galata. And Postane, I had never been here. I coincidentally found this place. I will come one day. So as you remember, if you remember, I go back the same street which I came from. So this time I'll walk a bit faster. And you know, remember the place? Yeah. I will have a quick walk. The buildings are so magnificent, and the doors. It smells arts everywhere. That's why I love this spot. Like, and at the end of most of the streets, somehow you reach the Galata Tower. That's slowly. Wow. Okay. Look at the queue, still goes on. Wow, never-ending queue. I wouldn't wait here, even if you paid me some amount of money. No. Okay, it's a nice place, but and the queue goes on and goes on and goes on and goes on. Wow, such a nice day. Look at the weather. People come here and take photo in front of this place. So this is the top roof of the Anemon Hotel. We entered a couple of minutes ago. Vienna Kulesi. It's lovely. On the right side, there are also some places where you can have your wine or your food. We'll have a look at here. Wherever you turn, you just face the Galata Tower here. Okay, so let's look at the places. Egono. This one I had never sat here, but Güney restaurant since 1964 it exists. I could say it's a nice one. Once I had a drink here a while ago. And it has the Turkish cuisine, and people are just enjoying their food and breakfast. Look at this plates. And now I also have a video about Galista restaurant. And it's very nice. Inside is a nice decoration. So we are lost again in the streets of Galata Tower, and here we face Galata Tower again. I like also this kind of small places. Buffet, we call it buffet. You can find like, this is called ıslak hamburger. Islak hamburger. It's quite yummy. And the fresh juices you can find. Oh my god. Desserts. Too much desserts here. Okay. So we go up Galata Tower. Now I go away from Galata Tower. This is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Do you remember this place? World House Cafe. This one, it's so good. And it's a hotel. Under World House Hotel, under the hotel there is this coffee shop. Quite nice and cozy. You can find fresh desserts and nice drinks.